Hello friends, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to add additional DVD or hard drive in a VirtualBox. It is a very easy and simple process. So let's go to our video. I want to add additional hard drive and DVD on this virtual machine. First of all, close the virtual machine. If it's open, close your virtual machine. Select the virtual machine that you want to add hard drive or DVD. Select that. Go to the settings, click on the settings. In settings, go to the storage. Here we find storage. Go to the storage. In storage, first we add a hard drive. That is very easy and simple. Go to here. Here we find plus button. Add hard drive. Click on that. And one pop-up box is open. Here we add hard drive or create a new hard drive. First, we go to the add a hard drive. You can add any hard drive that your previous machine. If it's any hard drive on your other machine, you can add that hard drive to this machine. Click at here, add, and go to the your machine and add that hard drive. In this case, my machines are in the N drive. I go to the N drive. Here we find virtual install. In this case, these are the all virtual machine hard drive. You can add this hard drive directly to that new machine. Close it. I don't want this. I want to create a new hard drive. So I click at here, create, and go with the virtual disk image. It is an VirtualBox disk image. Click at first and go to the next. Go with the next. Don't check this and go with the next. Give any size that you want. For testing purpose, I give the only 5 GB. You can give any GB that you want. I give the 5 GB for the testing purpose, and I give the name. You can give any name. I give the test and click on the finish. Now test.vdi image is created. Select that and click on the choose, and we can find test.vdi image is added in our list. Now we want to add one DVD. That is also very simple. Select that control, and here we find CD image. Click on that CD image. Add optional optical drives. Adds optical drives. Click at here, and I want to add image, so I click on the add and go to the desktop, and here we find my ISO image or the DVD ISO image. Select the ISO image from your PC. Click on the open, and here we find ISO image is added at here, and I add the Windows 11 ISO image. Click on the choose, and here we find our DVD is also added in the our list, and click on the OK and start your machine, and your DVD and the hard disk is appear on your PC, on your virtual machine PC. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.